Good morning, guys! Welcome to Bonbon's Vlog. Oh, ngayon, kakain si Bonbon ng itlog na naman. What do you like to your egg? Huh? Egg?
And
How does it cook?
it cook like lizard.
Huh?
It cook like
Like sunny side up? The egg yolk is
this sugar.
no sugar.
No, Papa, I
You
taste.
put salt to taste.
Okay.
That's-
I like salt because salt is yummy.
Lami, pag na-salt, di ba? Oh, not too much. Only a little. No? Hello, guys. Sige na. No, do not eat your egg. Rice. You want your egg? But do not eat rice.
I want to eat rice.
No, it's not good na kasi look at your leg. Where is your neck?
Eat rice.
Where is your neck?
I can help you.
Ay,
I want to eat rice now.
Naku, kawawa naman si Bonbon yung liig, hindi na makikita. Kakakain ng rice.
No, Mama.
Only egg, hard-boiled egg. 2 pieces, hard-boiled egg.
No, I hate
You like it?
I like egg yolk.
There is an egg yolk. You know that? There is an egg yolk in a hard-boiled egg.
I want rice.
No, na rice kasi mataba ka na.
No, I want taba. Just tell it up.
Look at this. Huh? Where is your neck? Nasaan? Nag-abot na yung ulo mo tsaka yung likod mo. Ay, Diyos ko, Bonbon. No, ko makatawa, mandaning bata, oy. Gwapa lagi ko diri nga picture ay. Naiusahay dili. Bon! Bon! Sa Monday, klase na. Monday ka, no? Ay, ngayon, hala, you are going to school na! Ha? Ayaw mong mag-school? Bakit? Anong gusto mo? Ibigay mo kay Ma'am Joya. Anong gusto mo? Mag-stay sa home? Para manood ng YouTube? Not in the school? Hala, naglingo-lingo. May pasihiro kay Miss.
I need to stay.
Kuya GD nag-school. Kuya GD is going to school na everyday. Sama ni siya, oy. Wala na talagang liig si Bonbon. Hindi na pwedeng kumain ng rice to. Wala nang rice. Wala nang liig, oh. Kahit sa ang gulo tingnan, wala na talagang liig si Bonbon. Say hi. Miss, kaway ayo. Kayod na. Kumakain na si Bonbon. Ayan na, paboritong ulam. Sus, kasayang sa akong gistorya ganina daw. Waman day tumakli.
Sayang yun, kaya nag-pray pa.
Nag-pray pag yun. No? So, how do you feel when you eat your favorite food? Bon, how do you feel right now? Nanay, walay feelings. Hot?
I'm gonna drink water.
You want to drink water? Oh, careful. You blow. Para di mapaslot. Sige, magtanaw sa TV. Uy, pagkaon na diha. Oh, nilagpot ko haa. Pick it up. Butang sa plato.
It's not work.
No, it's work. Kunin mo, wala ba kay palayan? Remember? Wala tayo rice terraces. Oh, Nasubraan man ang pagblubon. Gao, darang to ha. Nakoy gisend nga kuan. Lami bon, lami kayo. Ikaw be, unsa ganitong lami? Oh, very good. Lami kayo. Lami gid kayo ang itlog. No. Tunga sa dosina gud ang budget ani kadadlaw. Sainang ka?
You get water. You know, may baso. You tapon the laman. You tapon first, ha?
Bilisan mo dong.
Bebe.
Alam na nila to. Sinabi ko kagahapon. Mga picture to ana dito no. Ang uban wala pa. Bon, you're going to school later in the afternoon.
What?
You are going to school na. You have new teacher, new classmates and friends. Be good to your classmates ha. Bon. Be good to your classmates. What will you say to your teacher when you go inside into the room?
I said, good morning, teacher.
Ay, hindi. Kasi hapon, afternoon. Good afternoon, teacher. May I know your name, teacher? You ask her, ha? Bon?
Good afternoon, teacher. Huwag maging pasaway, ha? Magagalit si teacher.
Malapit lang ang school mo, Bon, dito sa bahay.
It's not teacher, I live yes.
It's not teacher Eileen already.
Another teacher. It's another teacher.
Teacher Alila.
Not teacher. Ano yun? Teacher Eileen at
Teacher Aliyah.
Aliyah. Not her. Iba na, iba.
Teacher nga daw ni Aliyah.
Teacher ni Aliyah? Ang teacher mo? Aliyah is your girlfriend? Isus Ginoo. Yes. You see her na? Aliyah?
No, not in my girlfriend's school, and I not see her.
Oh boy. You not see her? It's okay. Aliyah is resting. Aliyah is ano pa ngayon, maitim pa kasi laging nagbi-beach. Diba? Bonbon only in the house lang.
I'm alone.
Oh? You're alone? Uy, why?
Because Aliyah is going home.
Oh, Aliyah is going home.
I'm kawawa.
You are kawawa.
I'm not getting my open stand on.
Oh. You're not kawawa. Oh, ayusin mo kumain. Busin mo lahat yan ha kasi it's lami. Sinong nagluto ng food?
Carrot?
No carrots. It's not carrot, it's an egg. Sinong nagluto ng pagkain mo?
Mama!
Very good. Where is your mama?
Sitting.
Ano? Ano?
Sitting.
Sitting.
Beside me.
Beside you. Ayan ang mama niya. Beside you daw.
And Ate sit right there. I tell Ate don't sit right there.
Oy? Why naman?
Because I have no more seat. Because I like to sit right there. It's my favorite.
Wow. Me is your favorite?
No, that's here.
Okay. I thought I was. Ang upuan pala ang favorite niya. It's your favorite chair?
Yes.
Oh. Ganon ba yun, Bon? Ha?
Lisod kinitik ka nung saan ba?